Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you are here. If you are new and just watching this, I am Krista. I do cleaning videos, lifestyle, some photography mixed in, a couple shopping hauls. I don't know, I hate calling them shopping hauls. What I shopped, I guess, what I shopped. Oh, I haven't had my coffee this morning as I'm doing this voiceover, but this is me just kind of cleaning our living room. And then if you stay till the very end, there is a shop with me about Hobby Lobby because we just had one open up close to us, which was pretty exciting. I went the day it opened, probably about like an hour after it opened, and I actually still got 2 free bags, so that was pretty awesome. Like the reusable HomeGoods bags, and they're like gigantic. I love them. But everything was so neat and pretty at the store, since stuff hadn't been moved around. It was gorgeous. So if you want to stay till the very end, then you get to see that. So otherwise, I'm going to bump up the music some more and just go and clean away. So, all right, have a good one. Bye.
Morning, framed by golden sunlight. Morning, close friends travel together. Never wanting this to end, singing in the car and then our destination's here. Never wanting this to end. Right, high expectations, gray winds are blowing when we go out to catch the waves, Let it carry you, let it carry you, a story forever. Oh, the glory, salty season, a magical breeze. Never wanting this to end, singing in the car and then our destination's here. Never wanting this to end, everything in perfect blend. Now let's ride. Expectations, gray winds are blowing when we go out to catch the waves, Let it carry you, let it carry you, let it carry you, expectations, gray winds are blowing when we go out to catch those waves. Let it carry you, let it carry you, let it carry you, let it carry you. Do you care about the problems? 'Cause you never seem to focus on me now. Do you care about the problems? Can you get inside the corners of my mind? We can only get there if we try. to give in, to give in. I think about us, love. I think about us, love. I'm thinking about losing seconds of our time. Are you in or out? You still me now. I think about us, love. I think about us, love. I'm thinking about losing seconds of our time. Are you in or out? You still me now. Do you care about the problems? 'Cause you never seem to focus on me now. Do you care about the problems? Can you get inside the corners of my mind? I think about us, love. I think about us, love.
Hey everyone, thanks for coming back. This is Bentley and Toffee. They are just hanging out, enjoying the fact that the window is open in October. So we're gonna head on over to Hobby Lobby now, do some shop with me's. Me's? Like I said, I have not had coffee this morning. So they had all these pretty blankets and they were so gorgeous. I loved how they were hanging up. I haven't seen that done in any other Hobby Lobby. They had millions of pillows. Oh my goodness. Seriously, I've never shopped for pillows at Hobby Lobby before, but I think I need to because they just have so many pillows and they're so pretty too. I did end up getting a blanket, which you'll see at the very end. I'll show you quickly kind of what I ended up buying. But they had, oh, those pillows are, that gold one is so gorgeous. They had a ton of Christmas decorations up. They really didn't have any more fall stuff, but like they had all of this gold, gold and white and glitter, and they had a bunch of teal, which I love, like, oh, those rose gold trees. They had super cute kid furniture. If I was like planning a nursery, then I would totally come here. Obviously Wyatt's bedroom is done, his nursery's done, but you know, maybe the next one. Because they have some really cute stuff. Oh, that little shark stool. If we needed a stool, I totally would have bought that because that was adorable. And then, oh yeah, those things right there, the little like drawer knobs, those were adorable. They had a ton of farmhouse stuff, farmhouse style at least, and that was super adorable. Like, I don't know, I mean, I don't shop here very often. I love those candlesticks. I kept debating those candlesticks. They have really nice office stuff. Like, makes me wish I had a new house so I could just buy everything. This is what I ended up buying. These two cute little reindeer, that little mercury glass tree. And I bought these kind of, they're like acrylic crystal. I don't know what they are, but they're heavy. And I love them because they're just like a nice, simple, elegant design. And they can be used for whatever season. I can dress them up since they're clear. Those reindeer are adorable. And I can't wait to use that tree. And then I also got a blanket, which I'll add here. And there you go. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks. Bye.